Welcome to another episode of Making Change Happen. This video covers replacing the funnel and adapter ring in our classic hoppers. Classic hoppers encompass hoppers built from the 1990s in our SE series changers that featured our System 500 and System 600 bill validators, and MC series hoppers built from 2004 through today. Classic hoppers are recognized by the black plastic funnel that covers the inside bottom of the hopper. It funnels the coins to the dispense mechanism. The adapter ring is the round, black, plastic, donut-shaped ring that sits over the dispense mechanism and helps keep the primary disc aligned and steady. When ordering the funnel assembly, you can use part number 4, A000121. This is a universal funnel assembly that fits in either the SC series hoppers or MC series hoppers. When you receive it, it should include the metal sensors, plates, and wires with connectors. It should also have a stir spring embedded in the plastic. The underside should be smooth. The adapter ring is part number 2, P000101. This is a simple ring with 4 screw holes located around the ring. Both these items can be ordered from the standard chnage-makers service parts department by emailing parts@standardchange.com. All classic hoppers have 2 straight lines of screws on the long sides. The top line of 3 screws is for the funnel, and the bottom line of screws secures the dispense mechanism. The first thing to do is drop the dispense mech so you can replace the adapter ring. When installing the new adapter ring, tighten the screws like tightening lug nuts on a tire by starting one and skipping over the next. This helps keep the adapter ring straight. Here's a tech tip from our longtime National Service Manager.
Okay, to replace the funnel and ring, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull out the lower unit. You got screws on either side. Here. Boom, boom, boom. That way you can pull this out. We've already replaced the ring, got a nice new ring on it. What we want to make sure of, hold that up for me. What we want to make sure of is when we tighten these down, we kind of do like a car where you tighten, 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 tighten. But we want a little bit of play. You can actually see that move up and down. You don't want too much because you don't want coins getting in between there. But a little bit of play so that it's not, so it turns pretty easily, okay? Next step is we're going to pull out this funnel. Once we get the funnel out, we're going to go ahead and put the dispense mech back in, and then we're going to put the new funnel on top of it. And I have it out on the desk right now, but you can see how the funnel opening on the bottom is just a little bit larger than the ring below. You want to be able to see a little portion of that ring all the way around there. You don't want to have the funnel pressed over, because if you do, you're going to allow for a gap down there. And if you can lift up and feel the bottom of that funnel, the coin will get underneath there and push that completely up.
While aligning the funnel to the adapter ring, first, you want it centered as closely as possible so some of the adapter ring is showing all the way around. Second, you want to push the funnel down as tightly as possible against the adapter ring to secure that seam against quarters escaping.
Okay, here's the hopper funnel put back into the mech. You can see the ring, you can see the shiny ring around, so that's the top of the adapter ring, so that's sitting there nice and tight. There's no gaps between there. You can also see that if you look at all of the nuts, you can see that we've tightened them down pretty darn tight to the point where the screws are actually coming through the nylock. We want that to make sure we hold that in place. If you have it set like this, that funnel will last you a long time. Thank you.